Wow! May pa-balloons ang Chams. With may pa-rose. Haba ng rose niya. Maladyosa. May pa-happy birthday pa. Taray. Wow! May pa-gift. Love letter. With teddy bear. Thank you po. Love, love. Ako ng Chams. Taray. Ang haba ng bulaklak. May time pa mag-ayos kahit late na umuwi. Wow! Amazing! Thank you po. Thank you, Chams, sa iyong surprise. Saranghe. Thank you. Wow. Violet. Wow, magpa-love letter. Basahin natin love letter. Wow, ganda naman. Mabulaklakin. Taray. For efforts. Happy 18th birthday. Every year you become older. Hope you become and wise. Thank you. I'm 18. I know.